Today I will be doing a brief audio report on Sumitomo Chemicals. By the end of this video, you will get to know 5 insights which you did not know earlier on this company. Insight number 1, revenue mix. Coming to the revenue mix, 92.7% of the business comes from agri-chemicals and 7.3% from others. Insight number 2, product-wise breakup. The company's products are concentrated in the following segments. 43% of the business comes from insecticides, 21% from herbicides, 11% from fungicides, 9% from PGR, and balance 9% from metal phosphides. Insight number 3, location-wise breakup. The company's sales are concentrated in the following countries. 78% of the sales comes from India, 10% from South America, 4% from Japan, and balance 4% from Africa. Capex. An interesting point to note is that 100% of the Capex is into agrochemical space. Some other interesting points are the company's advertisement spend as a percentage of total sales is just 1.30% and R&D as a percentage of sales is 0.04%. Insight number 4, pledge and debt. The company has zero pledge. This is an excellent sign for the company. In a bear market, there will be no panic selling by FIs and DIs in this stock. Also, the company has zero debt. This is an excellent parameter for this stock as the company is not dependent on borrowings from banks or other financial institutions to fund its internal growth. Insight number 5, sales growth and profit growth. With a 5-year positive growth of 14.65% in sales and a 5-year positive EBIT growth of 36.17%, the company is a high growth stock. With a high ROC of 33.60% in the year 2022 and ROE of 24.42%, the company has used the shareholders' funds effectively and generated a high return on investment. Valuations. With a P ratio of 46.45 times and price to sales ratio of 6.71 times, the stock is highly overvalued. The company's products include crop protection chemicals, feed additives, fumigants, and rodenticides and biopesticides. This company has a huge presence in the agrochemical space. If I were a long-term investor, I would definitely consider this stock in my watchlist radar. For getting more such research insights and in-depth stock analysis, please join our Stocks Made Easy group. Thanking you from team testmystock.com.